Tired of choosing between a big screen and portability? Why not have both? This with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's boldest and most refined foldable. Hey guys, welcome back to Techility, the channel that explores the latest and greatest in technology. Today we are heading into the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7. We'll break down what makes it special, where it falls short, and whether it finally delivers on the foldable dream.
Unfolding the experience. First impressions.
The Fold 7 is Samsung's slimmest and lightest foldable phone. Because it's just 8.9mm thickness and unfolded a mere 4.2mm. At only 216 grams, it sits closer to a regular smartphone than any foldable phone before it. Titanium raised, a thinner and stronger hinge, and a very noticeable crease. This phone seems like a leap forward in design and durability.
First thought.
It finally feels like a real phone when closed and the tablet then opened. No compromises here.
Display, the star of the show.
Outer display, 6.5 inches AMOLED 120Hz with 21:9 aspect ratio. Main display, 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with up to 2600 nits brightness. Whether you're watching movies, editing on the go, or juggling 3 apps at once, this display is built for immersion and productivity. Samsung's multitasking layout allows you to open multiple apps, use floating windows, or drag and drop between them. It's fluid, responsive, and well optimized.
Performance and Galaxy AI.
At its core, the Fold 7 runs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Li for Galaxy. It's fast, efficient, and paired up with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, so there's no lag or slowdown.
One of the Fold 7's biggest strengths this year is Galaxy AI.
Live translation for real-time phone call translations. Generator edit for smart photo retouching. Note assist to summarize long notes or documents. These aren't just features, they are tools that make real use of the larger screen.
Camera. Capable but conservative.
200 megapixel main sensor, same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. 12 megapixel ultra wide. 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. 12 megapixel front camera on the cover display. 4 megapixel under display camera inside. Photos on the main sensor are sharp and vibrant, with great dynamic range. Low light performance has also improved, but the zoom maxes out at 3x, and the ultra-wide lens, while decent, isn't flagship quality. Video goes up to 8K with good stabilization and bitrate, but this isn't the Fold's strongest area.
Battery and charging.
4400 mAh battery, 25 watts wired charging, 16 watts wireless, 4.5 watts reverse wireless. Battery life is solid, around 12 hours of screen-on time in real-world use. But for a device at this price, charging feels outdated. Competitors offer faster speeds and the Fold 7 hasn't caught up yet.
Build quality and durability.
Samsung has significantly improved the hinge. It's stronger, thinner, and rated for 2 lakh plus folds. The body uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and titanium for added strength. IP48 protection gives you splash resistance but not full waterproofing or dust protection. Better than before, but not bulletproof. Still, this is easily the most refined and durable fold yet.
Final thoughts. So is this phone?
The Fold 7 is for power users, creative, and multitaskers. It's not a phone for everyone, but for those who want a unique productivity-first experience, it stands alone. Is you're focused on camera, zoom, stylus support, or long battery life? The Galaxy S25 Ultra may be the better pick.
Pros and cons. Pros.
Slimmest and lightest fold ever made. Excellent bright AMOLED display with up to 2600 nits. Highly capable multitasking and productivity tools. Flagship performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Useful and well-integrated Galaxy AI features. 7 years of OS and security updates. V5 build quality and hence durability.
Cons.
Average battery life for a flagship. 25 watts charging feels slow compared to the competitors. No S Pen support. Telephoto and ultra-wide cameras aren't best in class. Still no full dust or water resistance. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is no longer a futuristic concept. It's refined, reliable, and a premium flagship. It won't be the right device for everyone, but for those who value multitasking, screen real estate, and cutting-edge design, it's a league of its own. Thanks for watching Tech If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you switch to a foldable phone in 2024? Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering.